Hi guys, Rob here. This is my fourth video, and it's going to be around fuselage design. So I'll probably do this in a series of parts as well. So part number one is related to adding the construction planes, which we're going to sketch on top of. So if we go into our composite building RC models folder, and we load the canvas. Okay, so you can either add it to your shortcuts, which I've already done. As you can see here. Or you can go up to construct and go to offset plane. So all you're going to do is take the plane that we're going to be sketching on, and we're going to offset it. So we'll start with 1000, which is roughly the front. It's not perfect, but it'll do for the time being. 800, 600, 400, 200. Okay, so that's the forward planes done. So now we're going to do the rear ones. I'm going to start with minus 200. Again, minus 400. Minus 600. Minus 800. Minus 1000. Okay, so now we've got our planes that we're going to sketch on. So basically, on each one of these planes, we'll sketch a different profile, and then at the end, after we've got all our profiles, then we'll loft them together. So if you look down the right now, you can see your different. I'll just zoom in to make sure you can see. You can see your planes here, evenly spaced from the middle, and it's roughly at the end. It's not perfect, but it will do for what we need to do right now anyways to get the main part of the design done. One thing to note, you can see down here, we've got all our planes down here. This is the history tree, which we'll use a lot, especially later on if we need to come back and make edits. Another thing you can do is if you click two of them and then right click on it, you can go to create group, and then it'll group them all together. So we'll do the same for the construction planes, create group. And then we're going to save it, user save, and I'm just going to put construction planes. Okay, so one tip, always sketch on a construction plane. You can copy and move stuff, but actually it's always referenced back to the plane, so you're always better creating a plane first. I say this, and I've done it when I've been working on this model in particular, is I'll copy and move it and then curse myself later on because actually I should have just created a plane. But at the time, where it was a little bit too much thought because it might have been at an angle or it wasn't quite in the right place, and I wasn't sure how to do it, and I just tried to cheat, but it kind of bit me in the end because I had to go back and redo it. So always sketch on a plane. Okay, so I will come back with the next part, which will be construction lines. Okay, thanks, bye.